Evans yn cymryd ergyd. Taro'r bar! Ergyd gan Elliot Evans. Yn taro'r trawst. Bron iddo fe roi Met Caerdydd ar y blaen. McCarthy. Bel hir at lwybr Will Evans. Yn llwyddo gael y bel wrth Dani Alfie. Harry Owen. Ergyd at y trawst. Mae dal fewn. Cyfle arall yma i Elliot Evans. Roscoe sy'n rheoli ac yn sgorio! Chwarae gwych wrth Met Caerdydd yn gynta'n taro'r trawst. Ond yna, dim camgymeriad wrth Roscoe yn ganol y cwrt Cosby. Yng ngharfan Cymru ec. A dyna'r safon, mae'n sgorio goliau. I nawfed yn y Gynghrair tymor yma. A mae'r Met ar y blaen. Hunt dar gicrydd yma i Llanelli. Yn Lewis yn dim ond yn ei penio i mor bell a Befan a'i ergyd arbediad gwych gan Evans. Allan gic gornel, yna cyfle gorau Llanelli hyd yn hyn. Eto Williams yn penio ymlaen at Harry Owen sy'n troi ar ochr y cwrt Cosby. Yna lawio yn ôl y dyfarnwr. Mae'n gic o'r smotyn a fydd cyfle fan hyn i Met Caerdydd y blu mantes nhw ar ddechrau yr ail hanner. Ond ymrosgo fydd o hon. Chwilio am ei ail o'r gêm. Ath Cochlan y ffordd iawn. Ond oedd hwnna'n gic o smotyn da yn uchel i do y rhwyd. Dyna Rhys. Yr bel let draws. At drod Emlyn Lewis. Mae fe'n cael cymorth oedd Harry Owen. Ar ochr y cwrt Cosby. Mae'n cael croesiad i fewn. Elliot Evans ar y postyn pella. Oedd yna'n gyfle da i Met Caerdydd ymestyn i mantes nhw. Owen, sydd yn bwysau wrth Finselbach. Harry Owen sydd â hi. Mae ddim trosedd yna yn ôl dyfarnwr. Harry Owen yn lledu at Elliot Evans. Yn croesi. Roscoe sydd wrth y postyn pella. Ond dair gol i ddim i Met nawr. A does yna ddim ffordd yn ôl i Llanelli. Croesiad yn un da iawn. Mae'n heibio pawb, ond Adam Roscoe ar y postyn bella. Nigel Morgan. Penio gic hir Cochlan yn erbyn Lyfridge. Yna mae'r bel at Dion Phillips yr eilydd. Y gyffyrddiad cyntaf fe. Croesiad at Roscoe. Bach yr rhywbeth o'i flaen Ond o Will Evans. Yna mwyn roedd i nôl mewn i canol. A Roscoe'n sgoro i bedwerydd o noson. I goroni perfformiad gwych gan myfyrwyr Met Caerdydd. Be'n mlaen at George yn croesi. Yr ergyd wrth George. Evans yn ath arbed. Mae dal yn chwarae. Roscoe sydd yna. Mae Dion Phillips yn rhedeg mewn i cwrt Cosby. Dion Phillips yn eilydd o! Am gyfle! Heibio'r postyn! If Dion Phillips ddim cyfle gwell yna i sgorio.
Christian Edwards, a comfortable evening for you tonight?
It turned out that way, yes. I thought we made hard work at times, but thoroughly impressive in the parts that we did play well, and to score 4 goals away from home is very impressive.
Same old story, really. Same old story. You know, the first goal falls to them. You know, we just don't get that kind of luck, but when we're in the box and it falls to us. The second one, the penalty. Well, you know, how that's a penalty, I don't know, but you know, these kind of decisions, you know, they can happen every week, so we're used to them now. But yeah, you know, the boys, at least, you know, they showed some desire and some heart today, which was pleasing. But yeah, just didn't let ourselves down in the final third, really.
With 5 games remaining, you are 11 points behind still. What do you tell your players now?
Just to conduct themselves, you know, as professional as they can. Just take each game as it comes, and just you know, just try and get as many points as we can.
And you're keeping your 2-point advantage over Aberystwyth in the race for 7th. With the cup runs and the 7th place, do you think this could be your best season so far, even though you're in the bottom 6?
I think it depends on how people want to measure things. We have our own implicit goals, and we know where we wanted to reach. and we're certainly along those lines at the moment. And yes, as you rightly say, but we've also got a British University semi-final of the week on Wednesday to go defend our title. So we're in 4 competitions this year. We've been in 1 cup final, and we potentially get to 3 more. So yeah, it's good. It's enjoyable time at the moment, and long may it continue with the players that we've still got to come back in. Will Fuller, Charlie Corsby, Joel Edwards. So it's exciting times for us.